All right, folks. Here I am in the kitchen. It's after 5 o'clock. My nephew and Dakota were supposed to be here. Let's just say my nephews were supposed to be here before 5. He's renting a car. He's going to go to Kansas City, going back home. And that is part of the reason why he's late. He needed to rent a car. I guess he doesn't want to drive his car. That makes sense. Don't put the mileage on your car. So he's renting a car, so he's kind of tied up there. But he's going to be on. He is on his way, but it is after 5. And the Detmurds, if you don't know, I'll tell you now. I am a retired Navy cook, and when you serve meals on a ship, you cannot be late serving the food. There's no excuse. You can actually be, in some cases, written up, going to captain's mast, standing before the captain of the ship because your meal wasn't put on time. Well, my meal is on time, but I'll tell you what, I don't hear no complaints saying that my product isn't good. I do have the turkey over here on the table. Still hot. I'm not too worried about being screaming hot or anything like that. It's turkey. But the stuff in there, it needs to maintain proper temperature. Little lady wanted to eat this bread. I don't eat a whole lot of bread. I eat keto bread. But this stuff is good, and you all know that already. So that's where it's all going to happen. Oh, here's some more stuff I made. Some one of these is like a hot honey cornbread. This one's kind of a jalapeno, sweet jalapeno kind of cornbread. I sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. This one's got some honey sprinkled over or squirted over it. And here's some pumpkin pie from Sam's Club. And a little lady broke out the Christmas dinnerware. Has the placemats out. Everything's looking good. We're just waiting for the Gwapo Nephew and Dakota. Let's go out there, take a look. Is my flagpole light working? Oh yeah. Every house I have owned, I've had a flagpole. It's what, 4 houses? This will be the last house, I'll guarantee you. Whoa, look what the cat dragged in.
Oh yeah.
How you doing, Dakota?
It's good to see you.
I'm sorry.
Happy Thanksgiving, forward to Thanksgiving. Come on.
Come here, bud. Come here.
He don't like hugs, but I give him hugs.
I'm gonna have to buy you another shirt.
No. I know I had to wear my cheap shirt for you, man.
Here it is, all laid out before it's touched. Probably made a little bit too much stuff, but better than not having enough. All right, Jeremiah's laughing at me. He's talking nonsense about me. But yeah, here we dug in that turkey.
Always.
What do you say there, Dakota?
I said, sounds about right. I didn't say too much.
Yeah.
I'm in a food coma.
Sure. He's a KC fan. But yeah, we dug into it.
I'm gonna have leftovers for days, guys.
Leftovers for days? No, you're taking it home.
I mean, we got a long trip. To eat it on the go.
Yeah, because this is my cheat day because Jeremiah asked for it.
Hey, I just wanted something simple. Everyone I was expecting like turkey and mashed potatoes when I come here, and I'm like,
Yeah, we didn't picture all that. You guys just kept coming.
Yeah.
They went overboard, but no, it was beautiful. It was really, really good.
Yeah, it was fun.
Stuff.
But we everything went well. I kind of overcooked the turkey a little bit. We made some pulled turkey, but we all ate it. No one choked on it because it's too dry or anything like that.
The greatest long half.
Yeah, that's what the gravy's for.
Paul's over here ripping himself.
And I'm serious, I'm kind of ashamed of myself that turkey looks.
What's
that?
YouTubers, what do y'all think? I wouldn't try. I'll tell you.
Depends what side you look at it from. Let's go to the other side. Right here, roasted turkey.
Like Polly.
Over here, pulled turkey.
Polly, what do you
Anyhow,
They're gonna be like, yeah.
not at the dinner table, little lady says, so I'm gonna shut it off right here. All right, got Jeremiah. We're trying to get him to take some of this stuff home.
To go meals, back to KC. Well, I think the easiest thing is just to make
going-
turkey sandwiches. I don't know how we're gonna be eating yams on the road.
Throw stuff in there.
And a rental,
Yam on
and a
there.
rental car.
Trying to get him to take as much as he will or would. The lady's over there coaching him,
Where's the knife?
trying to make things easy. Little lady talking in a foreign language. Yeah, so I'm being in my workout program. This is my
Extra steps
We're getting
tomorrow.
rid of the carbs for him at this point.
It means Paul always gotta do extra steps tomorrow. This is all the
hopefully they take all of this crap. It's not crap. God blessed us with it. But I don't, most of the stuff I don't want to eat. The only things I would want to keep maybe is a corn. Well, that's a lot of sugar there too. He's already digging in the turkey, the pulled turkey.
Gotta win, man.
But, yeah. Anyhow, we're trying to, what would you say, disseminate? Disseminate?
Things are already.
We're trying to just put this stuff in its place. Where it's going to end up.
Desecrate.
Yes. Well, we already desecrated the turkey.
Disseminate, desecrate.
This thing has seen better days.
Yeah, all right. Let's see what happens next. So that little wing ding didn't last a whole long time, but it's good to have the nephews over. Now they go to Kansas City. And the bright side is, because they came over, little lady put the Christmas tree up, which is pretty cool. And she got all the decorations out. Some of them. Some of them. Yeah, so life is good. Tomorrow's a new day. And it's the first time we've ever had dinner at this dining room table.